Today I'm presenting you with a single-story shipping container property which is located in Oregon. This property is currently on sale and could be a good real estate investment opportunity if you've ever considered investing in a shipping container property. Alternatively, this property could be used as a nice starter home for a small family. Either ways, I hope that you'll gain some value and use it as inspiration. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tiny Homes Hub, where we discuss everything about tiny homes, shipping container homes and mobile homes. We bring you potential real estate investment properties for sale, as well as Airbnb rental properties. If this is of interest to you, then please subscribe to our channel as we aim to put out these new videos on a daily basis. Please also click the like button as it helps us to continue making these videos for you. So at the time of recording this video, which is December 2020, this property is currently on the market for sale at $314,900. The property, which is located at Prospect Street in Oregon City, consists of 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with a total of 775 square feet of living space. The lot is situated on 0.31 acres, which means that the price per square feet works out at $406. It was built earlier this year, and at the time of recording it has been on the market for around 145 days. Though it's unconfirmed, the property does appear to have been built out of one 40-foot container and 2 20-foot shipping containers. So let's dive in and talk about the features of this shipping container property one by one and in depth. So let's start off by taking a look at the exterior of the property. As I mentioned earlier, the lot works out at around 0.31 acres, which provides a decent amount of yard space. The property also sits adjacent to 2 additional shipping container builds which are still in development. The neatly manicured lawn covers most of the yard and also has sprinklers already installed. The property boasts multiple large double pane windows to ensure there's lots of natural lighting, as well as the ability for air to easily flow in and out. There's no garage or dedicated parking spaces, but there's adequate places to park on the road that runs alongside the property. At the back of the property, you'll find a decent sized wooden porch with complementary lawn. There's also one additional structure here at the back of the property, which is a small tool shed for storing DIY tools and other essentials. The exterior of the property is painted grey, and the actual metal structure has been left completely exposed. There isn't much cladding, as you can see, so it does retain an industrial style look and feel. Now, even though the containers are usually sealed and somewhat leak-proof, the designers of this particular property have taken that extra step of adding an additional layer of metal roofing, which should help to further protect against long-term elements. The paved path leads right from the sidewalk and directly to the front door of the property. Once you open the door, you'll be positively amazed by what greets you. Firstly, you'll never be able to tell that you've just entered a property that's been completely made out of repurposed shipping containers. The front door opens up to a massive open plan space which consists of a living room and kitchen diner. The first few things that you'll notice are the massive wooden beam, the breakfast bar island, the large windows, and you'll also notice just how massive this space actually looks and feels. Let's take a closer look at all this property offers once you're on the inside. So first off, the flooring. So the flooring is made of hard wearing and smart waterproof vinyl, and as you'll see, this runs throughout the entire property. The kitchen is made up of multiple clean and modern IKEA cabinets, quartz countertops, tiled splashback, and lots of electrical outlets. The standout feature here is obviously the breakfast bar island, which makes the kitchen area multifunctional. The mostly stainless steel appliances, which come already fully installed in this property, are all modern, and they include a dishwasher, dryer, microwave, easy clean ceramic cooktop, oven, a freestanding refrigerator. The kitchen is also plumbed for an ice maker, has an electrical water heater, and the appliances are all Energy Star qualified. There's also a mini split ductless air conditioner which can cool or heat the property. So even though this is technically a shipping container home, it comes fully stacked with a modern kitchen that you'd expect to find in any other new build property. Next, we'll take a look at the laundry room. Firstly, the doors are very cleverly designed sliding barn doors which complement the aesthetics of the property, but are also quite functional for tiny home properties such as this. The space is fairly standard and simply houses the washing machine and the dryer. Next up is the bathroom, which features the same style sliding barn doors. The bathroom, as expected, also contains a modern suite, a cabinet, and the shower area is fully tiled. The property comes with two fairly decent sized double bedrooms, which both share the same set of features. They both have fairly spacious wardrobe and utility cupboards, large windows, and as mentioned earlier, the vinyl floor runs throughout. I'll quickly touch on the neighborhood to give you an idea of the local area. The property is located in Barclay Hill neighborhood in Oregon City. It's a thriving suburban area, conveniently located near multiple schools and local establishments. There are multiple amenities such as gyms, grocery stores and restaurants, all the establishments that you'd expect in a thriving community, and most within walking distance of the property. Here are a few additional bits of useful demographics information about Oregon City. The median age is 40. Population density is 629 per square mile. 37% of residents are college educated. The estimated median income is $70,051. The estimated total number of homeowners stands at 14,738. The estimated total renters currently stand at 4,941. 3 is the estimated average household size. The total population is 54,297 people, and the median house price is currently $474,000. So, to summarize, if you're thinking about investing in a real estate property or simply buying your own home, this single-story shipping container home sounds like a great deal. Particularly, it's perfect for a young family who are just beginning to invest or buy their first home. With modern architecture and spacious indoor and outdoor spaces, this property definitely has everything you'd ever need in a small family home. The kitchen is fully equipped with all essential modern appliances, useful laundry space, a modern bathroom, and 2 decent-sized bedrooms with storage space. So, all in all, this is a good property for someone looking at alternative real estate investments or for a small family looking for a nice starter home. That's it for today. If you've made it all the way through, then thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe if you found some value in the information that I provided. And comment below on which of the features you liked most, and join me again tomorrow if you are interested in tiny homes or shipping container homes for real estate investment purposes or just for inspiration. Thanks again for watching, and see you tomorrow.